Hey guys, welcome to my club. Subscribe and hit the bell to join my club and say hi, Isaac.
Hey guys, my name is Isaac, this little man's brother. And what do we do today, Chavi?
Making a craft for my school project.
We're gonna be making a butterfly arts and craft project for his school project. And we're gonna show you guys how to do it as we do it as well. So these are the stuff that you need. Just follow along, you can do it with us. You're gonna be needing color pencils or markers. You're gonna be needing, or crayons, whatever you wanna use to color with. You're gonna be needing tape or glue. We're gonna be using tape, but glue works as well. Scissors. You're gonna be needing construction paper, whatever colors you want. We're using orange and yellow. And you're gonna be needing a toilet paper roll as the main body of the butterfly. So first thing you wanna do is you wanna get whatever color you want for your construction paper and cover up the entire toilet paper roll. Alright, so let's do this. We're gonna roll up the toilet paper roll and then just cut it up.
So I'll tell you why do we need scissors, because when you do that, if you got like a small one, it's not gonna fit the whole thing, so you need scissors to like cut half. Okay, right, Isaac?
Yes, sir.
So right now Isaac is doing like a good job. I'm sure Isaac will
Oh, I cut it. That was bad cut.
a bad cut.
Let's do it like this. I think it's good.
Yeah. That's two.
Alright, so we got the body covered. The toilet paper roll covered with,
Yeah, but
with our construction paper that we chose orange. And now we just need to tape it on there to make sure it stays.
yeah, because if we don't, then it's gonna like
Why would you?
like that. Okay. Okay, guys. So now I fixed it. So look, if you don't tape it or glue it, it's just gonna like fall down. Right, Isaac?
Yes.
It'll fall off like you build a tower. It'll fall down because you did tape it or something. Yeah, that's what I like it.
Alright, so we got the tape on.
Now it looks like a butterfly body. We're name it this way, not the back where the tape is.
Okay, and then next, what you want to do is we're gonna be getting.
Some yellow paper.
You want to use yellow for the wings? We're gonna use yellow. We're gonna be making the wings now. We're gonna use yellow. You guys can use whatever color you like.
But we're not gonna shape it as wings. We're gonna do the hand as wings.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna trace.
Alright.
Right there. Behind here, on the front. So this side. You're gonna put the hand down like this, and you're gonna trace your hand with a pencil. Both hands.
So right now it's gonna be me to do this. We're gonna trace. Guys, it tickles a little bit. So if you do this part, make sure you don't move. Make sure you don't move.
Yeah, guys, if you're getting your hand traced, make sure you don't move so you don't mess with the wings.
Yeah, because it tickles and I know you want to move.
Xavier wants to move already because it's already tickling him, but he's not moving. He's doing a good job of not moving. All right, and we're doing that one. Oh, next hand.
Next hand.
Awesome.
It sticks.
All right. So that's what we got so far. There you go, like that.
Now, if you want to do kids, don't grab big scissors.
Don't grab big scissors. So why you grab them exactly? Don't
Well,
grab big scissors.
I grabbed to show you guys to not touch them.
So you touch them. So these are
Touch
big
them.
scissors, big kid scissors. So
If you guys have like baby scissors, then your kids can do that for it.
very true. But since we don't have that, we're using this one, and if
I think I should do it. It's a big
make
one.
sure a big kid or an adult is using this. That's it.
Okay, now we're gonna see how Isaac can actually cut my hair off.
See if I actually could, you know.
Wow. this is going to be a long video today.
No, it's not easy. Real quick. I told you.
Wait. So, what we're gonna do is, just gonna wait until Isaac's done. I'll take one here.
Alright, we got one.
So guys, when you're done, it should look like this.
That's one.
One more to go.
One more to go. Alright. Next one.
It's right here. When you see the dried hat can match the cutout hat.
Dun dun dun. It's fine.
It almost.
Almost does it. Almost matches.
So right now we got two hands. Let's see if you can fly.
Fly.
No.
Nice. Alright, now show them.
Now we got two
Alright,
hands.
so we got both hands already. These are gonna be the wings of
Our butterfly.
a butterfly.
So right now we're gonna take our orange roll of paper. We're gonna take our orange body, and then we're gonna take a tape and glue the hands on.
How you wanna do? You wanna do it like this? So like this. You wanna do it like
So you wanna do it
this?
like that?
You. How do you wanna do it? Like this?
Yeah.
Or like that?
Whatever you wanna do it. We're gonna do it. Right now I'm gonna choose like that.
You wanna look? This is the front.
Uh-huh.
Xavier, you choose. How do you
What?
want it? How you choose, Xavier? How do you want it? Like this or like that? Like this?
Uh-huh.
Or do you want it like that?
Like that.
Like this?
Okay,
Alright,
hey
so we
guys.
took a quick break so this man could go get his icy.
Yeah, and take a look, guys. From 7-Eleven, I'm gonna take it while waiting a little bit.
Little man got an icy there. Lucky man. Alright. We're gonna go ahead and this.
Parade freeze. Parade freeze. So hot, so cold.
Alright.
So this is how it'll be. So let me grab it. So flop.
That's how he's gonna fly.
Yeah. Now he has no. Yeah.
So we're gonna be, this is a butterfly so far. The body and the wings.
So right now we're gonna get a pencil. You can use a pencil or a color pencil to make the mouth or the bow.
Yes. So the rest of it is just design now. This is how your butterfly, it's good to go already. Now you just design it however you want to design it.
Yeah, but
Color it
first,
however you want to color it, do whatever you want. What we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a face on it.
yeah, with green color pencil. We're gonna do the eye. Another.
You must have here, there.
Okay.
Oh, your hair's standing up again.
Guys, I'm a bad dryer with paper rolls, so here's how it'll be right now.
Alright, so we got his face, we got his eyes, and his mouth right here. Now you also want to design the wings.
Yeah.
That's the design for the wings.
He got like a little spear right here.
A scar.
Yes, like a scar.
A battle scar is what he has. Alright.
Yeah. Because he was fighting bees.
Because he was fighting bees. He was fighting bees, so he got a battle scar from fighting bees. Here. Design his wings.
Now we're gonna use these two colors. Design his wings. So right now, right now, Isaac, you take pink and you do this side, and I'll do this side.
Oh, what kind of design I'm gonna do?
Whatever you want.
Okay, just do it here.
Because it's going to be R.
Yeah.
Okay.
What are you gonna do?
No, you can do whatever you want.
But what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna circles and what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do some stripes.
So we're doing stripes and circles.
Yeah.
So I got the circle side. I got the stripe side. Circles are better. Circle's better. Circle's better.
Are they?
Yeah.
Hey, sure, but I think stripes are better. Stripes are cool, you know.
So,
You know what I'm saying? Cool. Cool beans.
right now I'm making like little zigzag circles. It could be zigzags, stripes, and I'm doing zigzag circles.
You do zigzags and circles?
Uh-huh.
Nice.
And stripes.
And doing everything. Doing everything that's okay.
Now we're gonna do some zigzag. Yeah. Circle zigzag for the end. And this is how the butterfly is right now.
Alright, so this is our designs. You guys can do whatever you want. We got his 2 eyes. He's got 2 eyes. He's got a mouth. And he's got a battle scar right there. Battle scar right there. 2 eyes right there. Mouth, battle scar. He's got circles as well as some zigzags and some stripes on this side. We got a bunch of pink stripes on this side. There's a beautiful butterfly so far.
Cold.
But we're not done
I
yet.
see.
What we're gonna do next is we're going to be doing his
Make-
antennas.
Yeah, which is like our ears. Well, you can use for straw, but if you don't have any straws, you could just use discussion paper.
Yeah, so you can use straws for this. We don't have any straws, so we're using
So we're gonna
construction
use,
paper.
so this is gonna be an orange and yellow butterfly. So we're making one orange and one yellow.
You wanna do one orange, one yellow?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's see this one.
Because this is gonna be a yellow and orange butterfly. Whoopie wappie woo, boop-a-doo. Flap, 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 flap. Flap, 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 flap. Okay, guys, we're back.
Okay, so what you want to do for these is you want to create 2 small pieces about the same size, one yellow, one orange, whatever color you want to do, and then you want to roll them up.
I'm gonna get my iPad.
All right, then we're gonna roll them up like this. All right. Get some tape. Once you get the tape, you can tape it together. And there's one of our antennas.
So you.
There you go.
So we're gonna do. So we're gonna do what I just did when I was gone.
And then we're gonna do the same thing with the other piece of tape. Or the other piece of paper, I mean.
I see.
You wanna roll it up like that. They're about the same size. And then once it's rolled up, you just tape it shut.
And
And
guys,
you got your 2 antennas. Right
and
there.
guys, we have.
Simple.
And guys, we have straws. We'll do the same thing.
Yeah, so if you have straws, it's a little easier. You could just cut off the top of the straws and you have 2 antennas right there.
And they could just like bend it.
If you don't have straws, then you could just use construction paper like this.
That's what we just did.
Close the door.
Okay.
Then you get your tape.
Yeah.
And you tape your antennas onto the inside.
Okay.
Actually, I want to bend this one a little bit.
Or
like that.
glue.
Or glue, if you have glue. You glue it as well. There you go. Bend the top so it looks like an antenna. You tape it to the inside of this butterfly of yours. And then same thing with the other one. You want to bend the top a little bit.
Bend the top a little bit. Guys,
the camera
guys,
fell.
guys, it was just my iPad. Don't be scared. I'll just try to trick Isaac. Right, Isaac?
Yes. And then,
That was off.
okay.
Okay, so this is how it's going to be. Now we have the tetanus, which is and we got our butterfly and the padre. And you can do whatever design you want. If you want, you can do scars too. Just like mine, right? If you want, you could like play with it, like flap it or something.
Yep. Let me see. Let me see so I can show them. Let me see so I can show them. All right.
Okay.
All right. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you do the butterfly. Design it however you want. Design his face however you want. Design his body however you want. The wings however you want. You got the wings, the body, the antennas, and that's the end of the arts and craft project. How you make a butterfly. And as Chavi was saying, you can do whatever you want with it. Play with it. You can fly with it. Put it on display on top of your dresser. Do whatever you want with it, and that's it.
That's pretty much the end. So this is the end of the video. Flap all the way to make your pod rat. And sayonara.
See you later, guys. Have a great time.